All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I appreciate you watching. All right, we're going to change out the prop on my 2020 Mercury Pro X SS115. It is the 16 diameter with the pitch 13 prop. Guys, here's your part number for the prop. This actually comes with the flow torque hub system. With it, I bought it off Amazon for like 200 bucks. Okay, here's your flow torque hub assembly kit. Just these items here. All right, the tools you're gonna need is a 1 1/16 wrench, a block of wood, some lithium grease, a rag, and just some needle nose pliers. And here's the new prop. Okay, let's get started. First off, you want to raise your prop up, make it comfortable for you in a good working height, which is pretty good right there. You're first gonna grab your wrench, like I said, the 1 1/16, and your block of wood. My prop's really not bad. It's just right here, it's bent. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put this block of wood about right there so your prop doesn't spin. And you're just gonna undo this first bolt. It's really not on there too hard. I'm not sure on the torque. There's really no foot-pounds listed in the directions, but as you saw, that came off fairly easy. All right, I don't need this block of wood anymore because I could just hold the prop by itself. A good rule of advice: make sure your engine is not in gear. And there is a chance your engine could start, and they say you should remove a spark plug wire. But being that I'm not a certified mechanic, I don't need to do any of that. Okay, we're just gonna remove this bolt real quick. Okay, we got the first bolt nut removed. If you look here, these prongs, this little like lock washer, if you notice here, they are up. They're bent up. That helps eliminate your bolt from spinning off or unloosening, basically. So we're just gonna lay those on the side. All right, this part here, real simple. Everything's just gonna slide on out. Just set it to the side. That's your old prop. This here is an old part of the hub assembly. You're not gonna need it because you have your new one in. What I like to do is just clean off the old grease. Swipe it with a rag. Make sure, if you have any sand in here, make sure you blow it out with an air compressor. Okay guys, the next part, you're gonna slide this assembly on. Make sure the groove part is facing up. It just slides all the way down. Okay, next is gonna be your lithium grease. Make sure it's waterproof. What I like to do is just slide the whole thing down the shaft, get some out, and you're just gonna work it all around. You don't need to go too crazy with it, but make sure you put enough on there, you know, so it covers the whole shaft itself. I like to wipe off the really thick extra, especially right off the tip here. Okay, after you have your shaft lubed, you're gonna grab your hub assembly. You're gonna remove this part here. Just set it off to the side, and your new prop, and this slides right up inside there, just like that. It's grooved so it goes in place. All right guys, next part, just slide your new prop on. Grab this assembly here, and this is the tricky part to get it lined up, so you might have to just move it around a little to get it in there exactly. There are grooves, like I said. It's like a puzzle when you're a kid. Just lining it up. There you go. There's that. Next, remember you're locking the pin here. It goes right there. See the grooves? I don't know how good you could see that. If I could maybe zoom in here. See, it fits right in place right there in those little grooves. And make sure these are bent up, which they already are, which is great. And here, you're just gonna put on your new nut. All right guys, I pretty much have the bolt hand tight. I'm gonna put my block of wood in there again, just so I could cinch this down. Like I said, it doesn't have to be crazy. Get crazy tight, but you know, tight enough. I'm good with that. And how I mentioned that these little pins weren't bent enough, I actually I bent them up a little more. I felt a little more comfortable bending them up a little. And there you go, it's all done. All right guys, well I hope you enjoyed it, and I made this simple. And once again, I'm not a certified mechanic, but hey man, it's a piece of cake to get it done. If you like fishing and exploring abandoned buildings and everything, hey, go check out some of my playlists, man. I'd really appreciate it. And if you like this video, subscribe. All right, as always, I appreciate you guys. Have a good one.